In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Ulta promo code. So let's get started. So Ulta is a beauty brand and you might be wondering on how you can get a discount. Well, first of all, you're gonna head over to your web browser and then you're gonna search up Ulta promo code. And once that is done, you're gonna go over to the second website, Los Angeles Times, and you're gonna click on it. So once you're here, you're gonna see many promo codes. So the first one is get 20% off your order. So you can just click on view coupon code, and this is the coupon code for getting a 20% off. So you can just copy it by clicking on copy, and then you can click on this website, visit Ulta Beauty, which is gonna take you to their website. You can choose your beauty products and you can then use this code at checkout for a 20% discount. Similarly, there are many other codes here. So let's say 20% off your first order. So you can click view coupon code. So whenever you sign up, it's gonna automatically send you a code by email. So yeah, you can use that code, and there are many other codes here. So yeah, you can give all of them a try. So now I'm gonna head over to some other website and show you a few more codes. Alright, then you can just scroll down until you see this website, Retail Me Not, and you're gonna click on it. So once you're here, you're gonna see many codes. So for example, up to 50% off beauty steals, plus $3.5 off any orders which are above $15. So you can click on it, and this is the code for all of that. So you can copy and use it at checkout. Similarly, there are many other codes. For example, $3.5 off qualifying $15 purchase. So let's say you're purchasing something which is above $15, you can get a $3.5 discount by this code. So yeah, so alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.